Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoe. So today we will draw a lotus and I can't wait to start with you. So let's do it. So first we'll use the dark color to make the leaves. Every single time I feel very anxious when I do the first draw, but then I will get better, so now I'm kind of anxious. You can do it. That looks nice. Good. Good. Remember, even the dark color, we need more changes. Color for dark. This is the lotus leaves. I want the front part darker, the back part more lightly. This is center of the leaves. To the branch. Now my brush is basically dry. We use dry brush to do the leaf. This is a different style. As you can see, this make many marks. Let's call it dry style. And if the brush is wet, it's another style. I'll show you. Okay, now this is the flower leaves. Now let's do the flower. I like the leaves because it's so cool, stylish. You don't need too much, you just need a little bit. This is what I want. Next step is flower. Basically finish the flower. We can wash our brush. Remember to clean our brush very carefully, especially this part, because this part observes a lot of color, water. You can press it. When it doesn't have any color, then it means it's clean. I still need to wash it again. Okay, let's put some background color. Blue, at least darker. Just need a little bit, lots of water. We need the color very, very light. That's what I want. Carefully. If you put too much, you can use this paper to absorb it. Now we use with yellow to describe the flower, the lotus seed. Then we use this black to describe the root. To here. Oh, this is too watery. It's fine, that's fine. This one we need to do it better. From here. Here. We need some spots. I think this part is too watery, so I don't want to put more water. I need to wait longer. Let's do this first. describe the lotus seed like that. This is kind of frustrating because the paper is extremely absorbing water. Let's wait it dry. Yeah, now it's drier. I'm still learning how to balance the water, and this is very difficult, but with the time you practice, you have more experience, so you can do it better. So let's be more confident and just keep practice it. Do some spots. Maybe we need a little bit more spot here. Okay, now let's do some leaves. Now we basically finished, and then we need a signature. I put here. So this is a whole painting, and my favorite part is those lotus leaves. As you can see, it's amazing, very strong, has power, freedom, you can feel that way. Also, I like those leaves compared with the videos before. I did some symptoms. I can see I have some progress here, even though I put too much water here, but they look cute, they look fairy. And I like the flower part. Recently I'm practicing to painting the lotus, so I think I do a good job here. So just appreciate your efforts in every step you make, and I believe we can get progress together. Again, I'm Doi, and thank you for watching my channels. If you have any comments, you can make below. Please don't forget about subscribe my channel. Let's get some practice and improving our painting skill together. So see you next time.